Ho ho ho, welcome to BDSlots. Become a Sea-Town crew member.
What is up, everybody? Mrs. here. I don't know if we're going to consider this an awesome, adorable animal. It is rather hilarious that it's called Big Fat Dragon. And he looks a little old and decrepit. So that's our dragon. Those are the jackpots we're working for. Oh, he's clapping for me. That's lovely. Let's see. Oh, we've only got penny denom apparently. So let's zoom out so you can see the full screen there. And we've got 50 cents up to $5. So we're gonna go right in the middle, $1.50 bet, and see what trouble we get into. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. We're here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino in Milwaukee. Oh. He blew away the villager that was there. And I got nothing for that. I don't understand what just happened. Oh. See, dude ran away. Oh, I won 15 cents on that. Cool. Uh-oh. He's gonna make him... I might play the crap out of this game just to see this dragon burn the villagers' asses. Oh, I hope BD finds me so he can see the big fat dragon. Oh, he's gonna burn his ass. Oh, and apparently I need 3 feasts. Oh gosh. Oh, it's too much. Oh, it's too much. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is cracking me up. Oh, here he goes. Oh, okay. Oh, with the wild 660, nice. So he keeps making random gestures too. Oh, look at, he claps. He doesn't do anything if you tap him, so. He's clapping for me again. Oh, I need 3 feasts. I don't know what else there is. I don't know if there's random features or anything. I know I need some more villagers to get their asses burned. Oh. Come on. One feast. Oh, I want to see what it does. Oh, here we go. Oh, 2 wilds did nothing. Oh, we got cheese across. $4.50. Here we go. Little bit. Uh-oh. goodness. Let me know, guys, in the comments. Have you tried this? Were you as entertained as I am? Did that villager have like a helmet or something on? I only saw a quick glimpse before it ran away. Because he didn't get burned. I swear I saw a villager. Oh yeah, these ones have some kind of like little helmet on it looked like. Let's try changing, oh. 150 is doing okay. We'll go to 250. See if 250 works any better with the dragon. Oh, 2 out of 3 feasts. Darn it. 1. Oh, come on, dragon. Let's feast. Saw it go through a couple times. Uh-oh. See, he doesn't have a hat on. So he gets his ass burned. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Come on. Push. Let's try some, I'm gonna try some ladder betting. Like true ladder betting. I'm gonna start off with the 50 cents. Double my bet. Now I'm gonna go to dollar. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, got kings across. That was on the dollar bet. $1.50. $2.50. And finally a $5 bet. Now here's something I'm not a huge fan of. So most games, as you change the bets, at least the mini usually changes. I'm 50-cent credit, dollar credit, $1.50, $2.50, $5. I just went through them, and as you can see, nothing up top is changing. Nothing at all. So that's a little odd, at least in my opinion. So we're gonna do the ladder again. Starting at 50, go to dollar. Oh, I didn't mean to fast tap, but I did it. 150, come on. 250. And a 5. Oh, I saw the feast go through. So I'm just gonna go back to $1.50. Since the only thing that changes is the multiplier. Ah, the cookbook with the wilds. Nice. Come on, feast. See, that guy did have a helmet. I was right. Come on, dragon. Please. Oh my goodness. Feast. Come on, feast. Ah. That'll help connect the jacks. Oh, I haven't seen any random features, so I'm gonna guess that they might not exist in this one. Oh, I just lied. Guy randomly came across the screen and I got the feast randomly. Oh, I don't know what's gonna happen here. Looks like Dragon wants to eat. See, Josh is left. Oh. This is the weirdest bonus ever. Oh no! Oh no! $27 bonus, which was also kind of hilarious because it just beat the hell out of his head. So guys, I'm going to do a couple backups and then I'm probably going to run because the pay is not great on this game, but it's freaking hilarious. I'll do one more spin here. Oh, getting some wilds. 20 cents. We could do a 50-cent bet as the last spin. Oh, we're gonna get some wilds. That only paid 5 cents. I hope you enjoyed this game as much as I did, even though it did not pay well. That was a hilarious session. I hope you enjoyed. Please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.